Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Wednesday, the 5th of March. Going to move on to this cable chart, and cable is pretty similar actually to Eurodollar over the past couple of days. Is fairly becalmed at the moment, but on the daily chart, there's still no real damage that's been done by this correction that we'd seen on the back of that Ukrainian situation that blew up on Monday, but then has retraced some of the moves down on the downside and fairly found a bit of support. I still think the outlook on this daily chart is fairly positive. All these momentum indicators remain positive and just in a consolidation mode, pretty decent there. So intraday wise, I think you'll see actually what we've got in the last few minutes is cable beginning to move higher again, and this is pushing up off fairly calm Asian trading session and using the support of the low at 66.49. And I think what we're going to have to find is cable will now need to break back above that reaction high from yesterday at 67.16. If it can make that move, then I think cable will begin to regain the confidence of the bulls once more and then push higher. But at the moment, I think you're still in a fairly consolidatory phase. There's nothing majorly to go on in terms of moving averages. Momentum indicators have picked up in the last hour or so just on the back of that push higher that we're seeing in early European trading, but certainly at the moment there's no major improvement in the outlook you'd see on this chart until you see a move back above that 67.16 reaction high that we saw yesterday. I'm not going to get too excited about this chart. I think it's a very difficult one to call at the moment. Unless, as I said, a move above 67.16 is seen today, but certainly you could well be very data dependent. You've got the UK PMI very shortly that comes out for the services sector, but also this afternoon you've got the ADP number for the States employment report, and also the ISM non-manufacturing data as well. So fairly large amount of data that could impact on cable today. At the moment, as we speak, as I said, that the caution that we'd seen overnight is being replaced by a little bit of positivity on this chart, but I'm not going to get overly worked up about it until we see a move back above that 67.16 mark, and because of that, I think staying on the sidelines is probably not the worst idea in the world. Anyway, I will speak to you later, and I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I will catch you later. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.